The Role of Nutrition in Preventing Disease by Erica Roxanne Kent. According to Nutrition and You, nutrition is the science of how the nutrients and compounds in foods nourish you, help you function, and affect your health. Nutrition is the basis for overall good health. In order to function properly, our bodies demand adequate nutrients. The best way to meet the needs of your body's demand for nutrients is through a healthy and well-balanced diet. If these needs are not met, the absence of nutrients leaves our bodies with deficiencies, eventually leading to the susceptibility of disease. According to the CDC, Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, heart disease, cancer, stroke, and diabetes are all within the top 6 leading deaths in the United States. There are several chronic diseases that result from malnutrition. The average diet of Americans contains too much saturated fat and sodium. According to Nutrition and You, heart disease and high blood pressure are associated with saturated fat and sodium, and over 65% of American adults and 15% of children aged 6 to 19 are overweight. Along with the weight gain have come higher rates of type 2 diabetes, especially among children, and increased rates of heart disease, cancer, and stroke. Just from being overweight and obese, diseases such as cancer, heart disease, diabetes, and stroke are all prevalent. Diabetes has become an epidemic in America, with type 2 diabetes being the most prevalent, with over 10% of the adult population suffering. The significant risk factors for diabetes are overweight and obesity and heredity. Cancer is also another form of a disease that can result from poor nutrition. According to Nutrition and You, maintaining a healthy weight, staying physically active, and consuming a healthy diet can reduce your risk of developing cancer by 30 to 40%. Nitrate, which is a food additive commonly used in preservatives that alters the color of food, is found to cause cancer. Also, salt consumption can lead to stomach cancer by damaging the lining of the stomach. Heart disease is another chronic disease in which malnutrition is the leading cause of. Diseases and the mortality they cause can be prevented by proper nutrition and intake of adequate nutrients. For example, the #1 killer in America, heart disease, can be prevented with good nutrition. A risk factor for heart disease that can be controlled is blood pressure. According to Nutrition and You, losing as little as 10 pounds can reduce a person's blood pressure and may actually prevent hypertension. You can take charge of your blood pressure and help reduce it and reduce hypertension if you reduce your sodium intake, lose excess weight, stay physically active, and drink alcohol moderately. Heart disease is the leading cause of death in the United States. Heart disease encompasses many different disorders, all which affect the heart. Buildup in the coronary arteries is the cause. Type 2 diabetes, hypertension, which is high blood pressure, and cholesterol are all risk factors for heart disease. All of these factors can be controlled with proper nutrition. This isn't the only disease that good nutrition can help defeat. Cancer is the second leading cause of death in Americans. Cancer can be a very frightening thing, and little do people know that cancer can be fought off with a knife and fork. According to Nutrition and You, a diet that contains phytochemicals found in fruits and vegetables help to reduce the risk of cancer. Antioxidants are extremely well known for their abundance in fruits and veggies, which rid the damaging free radicals. Antioxidant vitamins and minerals help squelch free radicals, which are unstable compounds in your body that can damage your cells, including your DNA. According to Nutrition and You, many phytochemicals are also antioxidants, which help prevent cancer from spreading to nearby tissues. In conclusion, the recipe for overall good health and disease prevention is good nutrition. Our bodies need it to fight against diseases and function properly in both the long and short term. 4 of the top 10 causes of death in America are related to nutrition, the #1 being heart disease. Heart disease can be prevented with proper nutrition along with the other 3 killers, cancer, stroke, and diabetes. Good nutrition not only prevents the top killers, but also helps prevent other diseases, which affect the lives of many Americans. Although there are other factors involved in diseases, nutrition can help immensely in fighting off the bad toxins.